As a business account owner on Instagram, we all have this issue that we won't be able to use licensed music and viral music for our reels. And we really need that to make our reels go viral. I have a solution to that. With these settings, you'll be able to use licensed and viral music on your business account. All you have to do is just go to your page, go to edit profile, scroll down to category and change it to entrepreneur. You don't know all business owner is entrepreneur. You don't need to put specific what you do for now on your page. Once anyone comes to your page, they'll be able to see what you do with your bio and posts. You don't need to really put dark clothing, makeup artist on it for now. Just put it as entrepreneur. With this, you'll be able to use any viral music for your reels. If you find this useful, do leave a like button and you can share it to anyone around you that be having issue with how to use viral music for their posts as a business account. As always, stay active.